Common cold, mucus, or cold is the waste material collected by the lungs from all over the body. It should be thrown out from body in the form of running nose or cold. So don't panic while running nose or cough. When our nose is running, if we use some balm or tablet or any other trick to stop it, what does it mean? It means that we are trying to keep the rubbish waste inside our body. If we continue treatment like this for our running nose, dust particles will become more after a few days. When this happens, the self-curing system in our body will call the gland called cold gland and order it to cure the disease. Just as we clean our house using soap powder when there are lots of stains on the floor, the cold gland will use mucus water to clean the dust particles that are sticking to our lung. It will then send them out through our nose in the form of phlegm or mucus. But, when we get phlegm or mucus from our nose, we again inhale it and try to push it back inside the nose. Therefore, common cold is not at all a disease. It is a treatment given by our body. The only treatment for cold is to blow out the phlegm or mucus from our nose. Instead of this, if you follow a treatment to keep the phlegm inside our body, that is the actual disease. But, if we or our children get cold, we immediately rush to a hospital. If we get feces or urine and need to go to the toilet, do we rush to the doctor and tell, "Doctor, I am getting feces and urine? Please give some medicine to stop it"? Just like feces and urine, phlegm is a semi-liquid wastage that has to go out of our body. Therefore, when you get phlegm or mucus, please blow your nose well and take it out. There is no other treatment for cold in the world. In other hand, if you suffer with severe cough, you can take some natural herbals or leaves that helps to remove the phlegm or mucus from our body, like holy basil, shallots, cabbage, black peppercorns, etc. Thank you. Subscribe Thyrovalova 15100. Leave your comments here.